Recently I've been painting here in this wood in the Dordogne. It's a charmière, that's to say a hornbeam wood, and it's a very old ancient wood full of coppiced woods and mushrooms and fungus and moss and ground cover of ivy and this amazing green canopy which filters the light and gives a green cast to everything. Even more powerful, oddly enough, on a cloudy day than on this semi-sunny day, half sunny day. Nice wind, and the leaves are rustling. You can hear them rustle. It's late October, and they're getting ready to fall. They're no longer photosynthesizing. They're getting ready to break off from the mother tree and return to the earth. And they're yellowing up in about 2 or 3 weeks' time. They're going to be much more yellow, brown, orange. And the dominant colour will change from green to yellow to orange brown, get browned off or oranged up, and very poetic time to be in the woods. A lot of perigordines, that's to say Périgord, Dordogne. A lot of the local people come into the woods to look for the mythic enchanted mushrooms, the wood mushrooms called cep, which is the local delicious thing to eat, local speciality. So it's actually quite surprising. Don't be surprised if we meet a few people, probably not garden gnomes,